Invite the listener to relax. Let your body settle into softness. Breathing gently. Allow your eyes to close. And let each breath be soft and slow. In dot, 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 and out. As you listen to my voice, notice the weight of your limbs sinking deeper into comfort, like drifting petals on still water. Induction phase guiding into relaxation. Imagine a gentle staircase, stone steps leading downward. With each breath, visualize stepping down, feeling calmer, deeper. 10. Stepping softly, 9. Deeper still, 8. Each breath, a wave of peace, 7. Drifting, 6. More relaxed, 5. Halfway down, 4. Gentle calm, 3. Almost there, 2. Still deeper, 1. Fully serene in this calm space. Picture a soft breeze, carrying the faint scent of lavender and old parchment. Feel it whisper across your skin. Transition to story. Our story today begins in a secluded abbey, nestled in the misty moors, where the wind hums through ancient stone and the world outside softly fades. Story narration first. In the hush of evening, Sister Elena moves along polished flagstone corridors, her slippers making no more than a whisper's echo. Each breath she takes is tender, rhythmic, matching the distant toll of the abbey's hour bell. Imagine the gentle warmth of the candles she passes, their flames flickering softly, reflecting gold flecks in her calm eyes. She pauses before a narrow door, its oak surface cool beneath her fingertips. Inside, a secret chamber holds a shelf lined with parchment-each scroll, so delicate that daylight would bleach its ink and crumble its edge. Only by candles' gentle glow can these treasures be read. Allow your thoughts to drift like candlelight, softening with each flutter of flame. In the scriptorium, monks worked in silence for hours, quills gliding across vellum. They mixed powdered gold into ink, so that each illuminated initial would shimmer like stars on the page. Near them, the hearth crackles a gentle, rhythmic warmth that hums through the room, guiding each careful stroke. Feel the slow patter of tiny sparks falling into the half-hot hearth, each one a tiny comfort in the hush of night. Each breath you take is as soft as parchment being turned, as slow as ink drying in the glow of a lamp, building deeper imagery and calm. Sister Elena approaches the secret shelf. Her fingers trace the spine of an ancient book. Its leather is supple with age, smooth like river stones warmed by sun. A faint breeze drifts through a high window, rustling the pages. Imagine hearing that quiet rustle, gentle and soothing, as if the books themselves exhale a sigh. She opens one of the fragile volumes, its pages edged with miniature paintings of monks harvesting herbs, recalling the centuries-old medicinal traditions of the abbey. Medieval monks often cultivated herb gardens for healing, and the scent of rosemary and sage drifts to your mind. Let that scent drift into you, calm and restorative. As you breathe in, picture the soft, warm air, scented with earth and candle wax. Each exhale releases any tension. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw relax, your mind grow. Only the occasional creak of timber or the faint call of a distant owl reminds her that the night is alive. She lights a small lamp, its flame no taller than a flower stem, and places it beside the open book. The gentle hiss of the wick burning is like a lullaby to her ears.